Conversation 1. Where are you from?
So, Sabrina, where are you from?
I'm from Canada originally.
Really? That's cool. I love visiting Canada. Where were you born?
I was born in Montreal.
When did you come to Los Angeles then?
Well, my family moved here when I was 10.
Oh, did you go to school here?
Yeah, I went to middle school here, but I went to high school in Pasadena.
Did you go to college right after high school?
Actually, I didn't. I traveled for a while in Europe, and I lived in France for 6 months.
Cool. When was that?
Let's see. That was almost 2 years ago. I can't believe it's been that long.
I bet it was a fascinating experience. What did you do while you were there?
Oh, nothing that interesting. I just studied French. Anyway, that's enough about me. How about you? Were you born in Los Angeles?
Conversation 2. How long did you do that?
Marie, is that you? It's been so long. How are you? What are you doing these days?
Hi, Sabrina. Good to see you. You're not going to believe this, but I'm actually a chef.
You're kidding. You've always hated cooking.
I know. I used to hate it, but now I love it.
What made you change your mind?
Well, it was when I tried vegetarian food. Before that, I used to cook really boring things. But vegetarian food was so much fun to cook.
I still can't believe it. So where did you go to cooking school?
I went to San Francisco to study.
Really? How long did you stay there?
I was there for about 2 years.
And what did you do after that?
Well, then I came back here. I got a job as a junior chef here in LA because I was a little homesick.
That means we can hang out. So where is your restaurant? Can I book a table for this weekend?